central Ford County in east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Yorkville to near Cornell, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Oak Forest, Kankakee, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Dolton, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, Mokina, and Bourbonnais. This includes University of St. Francis, Channahon State Park, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, Lewis University, Olivet Nazarene University, Prairie State College, South Suburban College, Will County Fairgrounds, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The following is